Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Tesla Model Y key fob. First, make sure your key fob has a fresh, charged battery for optimal performance. Then, navigate to the Locks section on your Tesla's large touchscreen display. From there, you'll find an option to add a new key or key fob, which is our starting point for this simple process. It's a straightforward task that takes just a few moments. Next, you'll need to correctly position your new key fob inside your Tesla. Place the key fob on the center console, specifically behind the cup holders. This is the designated area where your vehicle can best detect the new device. The car's system will automatically recognize the key fob once it's placed in the correct spot, preparing it for the next step in the programming sequence. To authenticate the new key fob, you'll need an already paired key card. Place this existing key card on the card reader, which is also found on the center console. This action serves as a security measure, confirming that you have authorization to add a new key to your vehicle. It's a quick and essential step to ensure only authorized users can program new access devices. Once the authentication is complete, your Tesla's touchscreen will display a confirmation message indicating that the key fob has been successfully paired. After this confirmation, it's a good idea to immediately test all the key fob's functions. Check the lock, unlock, and trunk controls to ensure everything is working correctly. You've now successfully programmed your new Tesla Model Y key fob, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.